Most students don't get rejected by European universities because they are unqualified. They get rejected because they apply the wrong way. In this complete guide, we're walking you through the entire European university application process for international students, from choosing the right course all the way to receiving your acceptance letter. And trust me, understanding this process early can save you months of delays, unnecessary rejections, and wasted application fees. Let's start with where to begin. Before applying anywhere, you need clarity on three things: your budget, your preferred country, and your career goal. Too many students apply randomly to universities they know nothing about, only to realize later that the tuition is too high, the visa process is difficult, or the program doesn't even fit their future plans. That brings us to choosing your university. Europe has thousands of universities, but not all are right for international students. Some are more affordable, some have higher visa success rates, and others are better for specific programs. Countries like Albania, Bulgaria, Romania are becoming popular because they combine affordable tuition with international recognized degrees. Now let's talk about the documents you need, because this is where many applications fail before they're even reviewed. Now, let's talk about the documents you need, because this is where many applications fail before they're even reviewed. Most universities require your academic transcripts, your passport, your CV or resume, motivation letter, proof of English language proficiency, and in some cases, recommendation letters. Every document must be clear, properly formatted, and consistent with your application details. And speaking of motivation letters, this is one of the most underestimated parts of the process, because your motivation letter is not just only a formality, it's your opportunity to explain who you are, why you choose that program, and why the university should accept you. So weak, copied, or generic motivation letters are one of the fastest ways to get rejected. Next comes submitting your application. Some universities apply through centralized portals, while others require direct applications through their own systems. This is where deadlines matter, because missing a deadline by even one day can push your admission to the next intake or completely close your opportunity for the year. After you apply, the waiting process begins. Some universities respond within few weeks, while others take months, depending on the season and volume of applications. During this stage, universities may request additional documents or invite you for an interview. Responding quickly and professionally is extremely important. Now, here's the reality most students discover too late. Applying to a European university is not just about filling forms. Strategy matters. Choosing the wrong program, missing one document, or writing a weak motivation letter can delay your dream for an entire year. And that's why students apply through eRev Europe, where everything from university selection to document preparation and application submission is handled step by step to maximize success. Planning to study in Europe in 2026? Start early, apply strategically, and don't leave your future to guesswork. And for more step-by-step guides on studying abroad, visas, scholarships, and affordable European universities, make sure you subscribe and follow.